I need to bypass the security protocols now. The AI nodes are fully active and updating. I'm crossing through the central sector. We are running out of time. The whole market is crashing. Override the system now. Accessing the core. It is breaking out. The future is not just written in code. It is forged in pure hardware. The net is full of rogue AIs. Watch your step. We are standing at the very edge of a digital revolution. Where data flows and old systems fall, we build the future. Welcome to Tekin Garage, where the new world begins. The system is evolving. Can you see? There is no turning back now.